Happy Monday, quick freestyle. Let's get into it. This is my moment, and I can't let it pass me by. They probably won't love me till I'm gone like Basquiat. Genius, but my skin black, so they don't see the masterpiece. And we ain't in that time no more, but we gotta hear master speak. I'ma keep it being frank while I'm painting this portrait. I do this so that I can turn my apples into orchards. I do it for the love, it's not just about the fortune. Really, I do this to bring awareness to what's important. And that ain't just my people, it's all people, but it starts at home. And let's be honest, some of y'all want to see us gone. But this a new era, a new day and time. And all that pressure from my past just makes this diamond shine. But shout out to my ancestors who paved the way. I take the road less traveled because of y'all today. See, we done came a long way from them dirt roads, where we had to learn to fly above them Jim Crows, and Jimbo and Timbo tying up ropes. And after that, the strange fruit goes up and smokes. That's why we telling y'all we matter, get your data straight. Only solution to the problem is eradicate. Never forget what we've been through. No, we ain't saying that we matter to offend you. We say it in the hopes that maybe you will see it too. So we ain't scared every time we see the men in blue. Out.